Hello students and welcome back to BankExamsToday.com. My name is Ramandeep Singh. This is the third part in the Banking Regulation Act 1949 videos. In the previous sessions, we did the whole update, पूरे detail में हमने पढ़ा है, and then we did the MCQ. This is the second part for the Banking Regulation Act. MCQs का second part है. We are going to start with the very 11th questions. The Banking Regulation Act Amendment 2020 amended the BR Act brought which of the following under the supervision of RBI. 2020 में कौन से फाइनेंशियल जो इंस्टीट्यूशंस हैं उसको बैंकिंग रेगुलेशन के अंडर लाया गया, बैंकिंग रेगुलेशन एक्ट के अंडर लाया गया. कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स को बैंकिंग रेगुलेशन एक्ट के अंडर लेकर आया गया, राइट. So now the cooperative banks, they are under the direct supervision of RBI. Which section of BR Act deals with the minimum paid up capital and reserves for banking companies? So, क्या आपको sections याद करने की ज़रूरत है? I mean, is it required? Yes, it is very important to remember the section numbers. In the previous exams, I have noted that section numbers are asked. So, according to section 11, minimum paid up capital and reserve for banking companies are mentioned, right? So the BR Act 1949 primarily applies to which of the following entities? So it is applicable to banking companies and cooperative banks. So banking companies और cooperative banks पे ये लागू होता है. Under the Banking Regulation Act 1949, who is responsible for granting licenses to banking companies? RBI, Reserve Bank of India, is responsible for granting licenses to banking companies in India. According to the Banking Regulation Act, what is required for a banking company to open a new branch? Approval from RBI is required. RBI से approval लेना बहुत ज़रूरी है, mandatory है basically. And this is according to the section 23. Section number याद रखिए. Under the BR Act, what is the maximum time limit? Maximum limit, not time limit, maximum limit on payment of commission, brokerage or discounts on issuance of shares. बैंक जब अपने शेयर इशू करता है तो मैक्सिमम 2.5% ऑफ द शेयर वैल्यू को एज अ डिस्काउंट, एज अ कमीशन, ब्रोकरेज पे कर सकता है. 2.5% ऑफ द शेयर वैल्यू, इतना ही ब्रोकरेज पे किया जा सकता है. एंड दिस इज अकॉर्डिंग टू द सेक्शन 13. Which section of Banking Regulation Act 1949 prohibits employment of managing agents, imposes restrictions on the remuneration of directors? So managing agents, according to the section 10, the BR Act prohibits employment of managing agents. Managing agent को आप employ नहीं कर सकते. Restriction है remuneration पे directors की, ताकि conflict of interest ना हो, right? Under the BR Act, which entity is responsible for granting licenses to the companies, to the banking companies? Reserve Bank of India is responsible for granting licenses, and this is according to section 22 of BR Act. BR Act का section 22 empower करता है RBI को to issue licenses, to issue the banking licenses to the banking companies. So the Banking Regulation Amendment Act 2020, it primarily extends RBI's oversight to cooperative banks. Now RBI can directly supervise and monitor the working of cooperative banks. Which section of Banking Regulation Act 1949 deals with the maintenance of percentage of assets, commonly known as SLR? So according to section 24, I have seen this particular question multiple times in the exam. According to section 24 of the BR Act, banks are required to maintain SLR. Banks को SLR maintain करना पड़ता है according to section 24 of Banking Regulation Act. So that's all for today, students. You can join the PNB SO Credit Officer course on BankExamsToday.com. List of our successful students in the past, all these students that took our courses in the past and they cracked the respective exams. And if you like the content, write a review for Bank Exams Today Android app on Google Play. And that's all for today, students. I hope you like the today's session. If there is any doubt in your mind, कोई भी doubt है आपके mind में, रिगार्डिंग PNB SO क्रेडिट ऑफिसर के एग्ज़ाम के रिगार्डिंग आप मुझे व्हाट्सएप कर सकते हो, कुछ भी अगर आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। 9067201000, दिस इज़ माई पर्सनल व्हाट्सएप नंबर. You can ask your doubts here, and I'm going to answer all your doubts. And that's all for today, students. Thank you and have a very nice day. Bye bye.